So to draw the dots on the dice, here's how I would draw all 6 dice, 6 dots on the dice. I have my 3x3 square drawn. This is one of the surfaces of the dice. So if you orbit it around, you can draw the same thing on any side you want, according to the layout of a standard gaming dice. Anyways, I'm going to begin by finding the middle of this square. To do that, I'm just going to draw a line from corner to corner, and from corner to corner, because like in a pirate treasure, X marks the spot, and there it is. I'm going to go to the circle tool, for the number 1 dot, put the circle on the center. Let's make these radiuses 1/4 of an inch. I erase off these lines, and now I have my side number 1 done. Okay, side 1 is done. So I'll go back. To make it 2, I'm going to draw a circle in the middle of this chunk of the line and a middle over here. So 2 is a dot here and a dot here. The nice part about this program is once you have this X drawn, this line now will have its own little midpoint. Watch. I'm going to draw a line, or a circle from my dot. If I go on this line, don't click, just hover. And move it along that line, wait for it. See that? It jumps to the midpoint. It bounded. So if I click, move 1/4 of an inch, and hover, don't click, just hover. Move along the edge, there it jumped to the midpoint, click, and I'm going to go 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. There's my 2. Next my lines, my 2 is done. For the 3, same thing. Crisscross, midpoint, midpoint, and midpoint, 1/4 of an inch. 3 is done. For the 4, a bit trickier, but not too bad. I'm just going to draw a line. Hold on. So my crisscross is made for a 4. Here's a 4. I'm going to do a line from midpoint to midpoint. Draw a line from midpoint to midpoint. So these circles that were here for the 2 and the 3 are in the exact same spot. 1/4 inch radius, 1/4 inch radius. So it's the same. Here's the 3. Now I have 4. The 5, same setup, crisscross, midpoint, 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 midpoint. There's a 5. To make a 6, just midpoint again. Midpoint again. So here's a 6. Hold it. And ready. So good luck with the drawing of the dice.